So let's just take a look at the theory behind inverted minors. So in standard, when your partner opens one club and you raise to two clubs, that's called a single raise, and it shows a weak hand with 5 or more clubs. If your partner opens one diamond and you raise to 2 diamonds, then that will now show a weak hand with 5 or more diamonds, right? If partner opens one diamond and you double jump to 3 diamonds, that shows a limit raise, 11 to 12 points with 5 or more diamonds. But if you play inverted minors, what we're going to do is invert the 1 diamond, 2 diamonds, 1 diamond, 3 diamonds, and the 1 club, 2 clubs, and 1 diamond, 2 diamonds. We're inverting them, and that's why it's called inverted minors. Its name actually makes sense. So instead of 1 club, 2 clubs being 6 to 10 points, our 1 club, 2 club bid is going to be 11 plus total points. And instead of 1 diamond, 3 diamonds being 11 to 12 points, our 1 diamond, 3 diamonds is going to be our weak hand. And it goes along with the whole idea of the more we have, the slower you go. The more you have, the slower you go. So instead of 1 club, 3 clubs being your bigger hand, right, 11 to 12 limit raise, now 1 club, 2 clubs is going to be your 11 or more. Notice the or more, 11 plus, instead of just 11 to 12. It's unlimited. So the inverted minor itself is going to give you a bid when you want to raise your partner's minor and you have an opening hand or better, right? So that's the second big idea, is you have a new hand that you don't have in standard bidding when you have an opening hand and you'd like to raise your partner's minor. Now, yeah, sure, we don't want to raise partner's minor if we're balanced and we want to just play in 3-0. But what if you have a slam in a minor hand, right? You've got 20 high card points and you have 6 clubs and you want to tell, hey, partner, I like your clubs, so you can set the club suit in case you play Roman key card, and now, you know, the club king would be in play type of thing, right? So lots of benefits to the inverted minor, and that's all we're doing. We're just flipping out the 2-level raise and the 3-level raise, making the weaker bid the preemptive bid, taking up more space, strategy-wise, taking more space from the opponents to bid, and making our stronger hand at a lower level to give us more room to stay out of bad 3-0s and to find our minor suit slams.